What's going on, guys? I'm Alex of Tech. How you doing? I personally cannot live without set-top TV boxes. I use the Me TV and the Shield TV, the first generation Shield TV, all the time. And as much as I love them, there's one feature that I really want them to do, and as far as I know, they can't do it. And that's the ability to turn on your TV, to tell it verbally, to change channel, change the volume, all without a third-party setup like the Logitech Harmony. So in Logitech Harmony, you have to buy it, you have to set it up, and that's an additional thing you have to purchase. Well, when Amazon announced this thing, the Fire TV Cube, I was super excited about it because it essentially promises to do all of that in one package in this little cube. You have Alexa on it. You can tell Alexa to turn on your TV, turn off your TV. It says you can change the channel. You can tune into ESPN, all without touching your remote. How cool is that? And I'm really excited to unbox this and let's try it out. Let's see if it actually fulfills that promise. So we don't need a Logitech Harmony. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is to take a look at what's inside the box, what it comes with, what it looks like. And just looking at the box, it looks like a very nice packaging. It says, now TV is hands-free. Just ask Alexa to do it. True to life picture quality. It has access to 4K Ultra HD, so you can run that up to 60 frames per second. HDR too, so if you have HDR TV, this is supposed to be able to do it. Yeah, let's just pull this thing open and take a look at it. There we go. There is the Amazon Fire TV Cube, and it really is just a cube. Just a square black cube. Alright, so Fire TV proper placement, unobstructed and facing where you sit, at least 1 foot away from speakers, not in a closet cabinet. Oh, not in a closed cabinet. I can't read today. Okay, so it needs to be exposed. It also has your infrared and your HDMI there. Let's also peel this off right now. And it looks like a micro USB port, so it uses a micro USB. Oh, this is tight to rip off. So we have a Fire TV Cube startup guide. Another one to kind of show you what you can do. We'll play with these. And then also the warranty. Here is the power cable. You plug it in. IR extender. Here's the IR extender. And then we also have the Ethernet. So if you want to plug this into Ethernet instead of using your Wi-Fi, you can do this too. And then on the bottom here, we have the remote and also the batteries to put into the remote. So that's
Here's a quick story. Once upon a time, a shy, nerdy teenage boy was bit.
Alright, so I logged into a couple of services that I use, Netflix, Hulu, ESPN, as you can see on the top row there. And I'm going to try the hands-free. So I've actually kind of been playing around with it. No remotes, as you can see. I'm hands-free. And this is actually a little trickier than I thought it would be. So let's just try to run through it. Alexa, play Terrace House on Netflix.
Here's what I found.
Okay, so we have 1 or 2. Alexa, play Terrace House Opening New Doors. And there we go. It's working, it's playing in all its glory. So that worked out. Alexa, lower volume. So whenever you make a command, it will pause whatever's playing on the screen, or that's what I've noticed. Alexa, lower volume. Alright, so that completely muted it, which is also good for us because we don't want any of the audio playing for purposes of uploading to YouTube. But as you can see, the video is playing. Let's do Alexa, play ESPN. So that should seamlessly switch over to ESPN. Oh, damn. See, it did this before. It went to ESPN Radio. Tune to ESPN. All right, so for TV, you have to use the word tune. And then when you use the word play, it takes you to the radio.
It seems like it should be part of 2A.
All right, now it's the big one. Alexa, turn down volume. Okay, so now we got that taken care of. We're going to actually try to turn the TV off. Alexa, turn off TV. Okay, that did not work. You know, it does work for most places when you only have a standard television remote. I have a projector, which requires 2 presses on the power button to turn off. So technically, it did recognize the IR feature there, and it did connect with it. So let's try that one more time. Alexa, turn off TV. So yes, it does bring the power off. It says press power button again. I'm gonna press it. Let's try to turn on the TV. So as you see, the projector turned off. This is only because I don't have a TV in the office right now, and once again, I'm too excited, so I wanted to do it here. So the projector here actually requires 2 presses on the power button, which Alexa couldn't do. Let's try it one more time, but let's turn it on now. Alexa, turn on TV.
Okay.
And that should turn on the projector, which it indeed did. So awesome. Okay, so it does work. Once I take this home and set up the TV, I'll post on Twitter as well, verifying that it does work on the TVs. But as you can see, it works on the projector. After initial setup, it does seem to work. Everything seems to work okay. Oh man, this is going to be fun. Talk about being even more lazy. So all the people who have enjoyed using the Logitech Harmony for all these years, man, us casual users using Alexa now, it's going to be fun. You can also control your smart devices, your lights, and stuff like that. Actually, let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Alexa, turn AC to 72.
The AC is set to 72.
All right, cool. So it can even set my AC because I have the Nest connected to Alexa. Let's turn that off right now. Alexa, turn off AC.
Okay.
Cool, and it turned off the AC. And then it looks like when you turn on the TV, it will take you back to the last thing that you were watching, last channel or app you were on. So pretty neat. That's basically the same thing as the Fire TV. So it's the same functionality. The only cool thing that adds on now is the fact that Alexa can control your devices, turn them on, turn it off, control the audio. Really cool stuff. I'm really excited to test this out even further. Once again, I'm Alex with Tech. Be sure to let me know what you guys think of this, and I'll see you guys next time.
If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell button below so that you don't miss a single video in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!